Hi there, my name is Brent.
And I'm Freek. Both Brent and I have been writing PHP for many years now, and we want to share our experience with you.
By the end of this year, PHP 8 will arrive. It will add many new features and be a significant milestone in PHP's history.
There are a lot of things to learn about PHP 8 and modern PHP in general. That's why we created a video course and a book to guide you. We explain everything you need to know about PHP 8 as well as modern day practices with PHP. Even if you're not on PHP 8 yet, there's a lot of knowledge that is applicable to older versions as well.
We want to help you grow as professional developers. We're going to show that PHP is a modern language to build modern applications with. In the book, I'll not only explain all of PHP 8, but also get you up to speed with PHP 7. We'll touch upon several core patterns and principles, as well as the community surrounding the language.
I will be your host in the free video course. Each notable PHP 8 feature will be demoed. I'll show you how PHP 8 can be used to simplify your existing PHP code. You'll also see a lot of tips and tricks I've learned over the years to write more expressive code.
So, with all of that being said, we proudly present Frontline PHP.